Hey, what's up? This song is "Unbelievable" by Craig David. It's for me and Lena. This was her favorite song, and mine too. So, yeah. Hope you like it. Always said I would know where to find love. Always thought I'd be ready and strong enough. But sometimes I just felt I could give up. But you came and you changed my whole world now. I'm somewhere I never been before. Now I see what love means. It's so unbelievable, and I don't wanna let it go. Something so beautiful, flowing down like a waterfall. I feel like you've always been forever a part of me, and it's so unbelievable to finally be in love somewhere I never thought I'd be. And my heart and my head, it's so clear now. Hold my hand, you've got nothing to fear now. I was lost and you rescued me somehow. I'm alive, I'm in love, you complete me. And I've never been here before. Now I see what love means. It's so unbelievable, don't wanna let it go. Something so beautiful, flowing down like a waterfall. I feel like you've always been forever a part of me, and it's so unbelievable to finally be in love somewhere I never thought I'd be. When I think of what I have and this chance I nearly lost, I can help but break down and cry. Oh, yeah. Break down and cry. Oh, yeah. And it's so unbelievable, and I don't wanna let it go. Something so beautiful, flowing down like a waterfall. I feel like you've always been